Today I'd like to share some tips on what not to do with polymer clay. I was really happy with the way that these gnomes turned out in design, but they both had some tragic events happen to them. I would like to share my experiences so that this doesn't happen to you too. Here are some of the process pics of making my gnome. I decided to use a cork on the inside and lay the polymer clay over the outside, thinking that I was going to save some clay. I think he turned out super cute, and then upon baking him, I realized something went tragically wrong. I'm not sure if there was moisture or expansion in the cork, but you can see all the cracking. He's just falling to bits, the poor guy. Maybe a better inside would be alfoil. And here's my previous one. He was great, full polymer clay, although I had the oven turned up too high.